Did you know that a dying man's last wish can become a prison the living build around themselves without ever noticing the walls? He asked for one thing before his eyes closed on that battlefield. Live well. 3 words. No instructions. No map. So the warrior came home. He trained every morning before sunrise. He ate simply. He kept his blade clean. He sat in silence and called it peace. And every quiet evening, he would whisper those 3 words like a prayer to someone who could no longer hear them. Years passed. The ritual became armor. The vow became a performance, a beautiful, careful, daily lie. Then one night, rain falling soft against the roof, he finally asked himself the question he had been running from since the beginning. What does living well mean to me? Not to the man who died, not to the memory he had been serving, to him. The hardest truth grief ever teaches is this: you cannot borrow someone else's purpose forever. At some point, you must forge your own. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.